This one is sun. Alright? And then this one is shad. You will not read salait about it. Sun, shad. This one is sun, shad. Okay? And then the next word is R. So whenever you will use or you will see the word that has rorua at the end of the word, then you cannot read it as R. The sound will not be R anymore if rorua is at the back or at the end of the word. It will be automatically sounds like no or M. The same as loling and lotula. Okay, so again, for mekon, the group of mekon, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 letters or 6 consonants that whenever you see these letters at the end of the word, then these letters will create the sound of no or M. Okay, so just for example, this one, this is ho, and then may han akat, no, no. It means this is han. For this is san, sha, because we have the yoku yin here, right? So automatically this will become the N sound or no sound. And then this one is dat. This one is bandat. You see this? This is lolling, right? It is in the end. It is at the end of the word. So this will create the sound of no. So bandat, right? As well as this one, it has rorua. So the rule is rorua will become no. So you will read it as man and not mar. Okay? So I know that it's confusing, but you need to keep on practicing reading. So keep on reading every day for you to be exposed with more words in time. Alright. So next is mekong. For mekong, actually, we have only one letter. So ngongu itself, the ng in English. Alright. So whenever you see ngongu at the end of the letter, at the end of the word, then the sound is ng or ngo. So for example, this one. This is ngo. Don't forget the rule here. Whenever you see two letters together, it means the vowel here is invisible and the vowel here is o, right? So this is ngo. This one is dang. And then this one is lang. And the last word is tang. So do you understand? Okay, now let's look at the letter. Let's look at the words here. We have for today. Let's see if there are words that has meko. So can you tell me which word here or which number have the word that is in meko, the group of meko? Which one creates the sound of ngo at the end of the word? Can you tell me which one?